Hi everyone, this is Paul Lange from Disciplined Trading Strategies with this week's Trade of the Week video. This is for the week ending November 14th of 2021. The stock was PTON. The date it happened was on 11/10. That was a Wednesday, and this was based on a 60-minute major resistance play. It also was kind of a gap carry entry on a 1-minute DTS breakdown play, and management's simple rewards risk 3.7 to 1. This happened basically throughout the trading day. It was about from 10 to 3 or something like that. As usual, what's up for the free members at DTS this week? We have an educational event on Wednesday. That's Wednesday the 17th. It's going to be called Trading Concepts. You can read the screen there if you like, and we'll see you. If you're a DTS member, you will get your invites automatically. If you're not a DTS member, become a free member. You don't have to give anything but an email. Just if you go over to the DTS homepage, you'll see some spots you can sign up to become a free DTS member. This is the daily chart of PTON. And that's the day before the trade. You can see this was a gap carry. The stock that had gapped down a couple days prior. A lot of gap trades I like doing on day 2, day 3, day 4 when they're a little settled down. The momentum is still down on a stock like this. And you see this daily chart we're going to have this day is just this little inside day. It's part of what I preach a lot. This is a great trade. It was just on an inside day because I had great accuracy and also a very good idea of where the stock was going that day. Not a big daily bar. Matter of fact, the smallest daily bar in quite a while. This is the 15-minute chart, which gives you a little better view. We opened kind of neutral right in there, and then we rallied up into an area that's been sold before. You notice that we didn't reach prior highs. We didn't have to get there. We actually have lower highs going on. So where exactly is this going to form? You can never be sure. That's why on this trade, I waited for a better entry rather than being so aggressive, and you can see the nice drop it had afterwards. The entry you can see a little bit on the 5-minute chart. It was on that bottoming tail that came in right there. Entry under 50.90, stop over 51.50. Stock went sideways for quite a while and actually, looked like it was going to rally. It stayed within its stop, and even if it didn't, I might have bent that a little bit because there comes the drop and a really nice trade. All the profit made in that afternoon slide. So it was held all morning without a lot of results, but then it slid all afternoon. Ended up being one all target because I was on a walkaway. It just fell to that area. I ended up putting a trail stop over this area in here somewhere. It trailed out over 48.66 and it closed a little higher, so it was a perfect exit just off the low. 1-minute chart gives you a little better view of that entry spot. You can see it clearly here. There's right there is where the entry was. And then of course the targets are completely off the chart there. There were several trades I could have used for the trade of the week. It was hard to pick one. If you want to join us in the DTS Trading Room, just get over to the DTS Services page, find it from the home page, figure out how you can join us. Until next time, this is Paul for DTS. Good trading, everybody.